E-commerce merchants can integrate with Findify in a number of ways. For merchants using Shopify, the best way to integrate with Findify is via our dedicated native Shopify app. This guide will explain the installation process on a step-by-step basis. Step 1. Install the Findify Search and Merchandise app. Go to the Shopify App Store and search for Findify Search and Merchandise. Click the Install button, which appears to the left of the video. If you are already logged into Shopify, you will be redirected to your Shopify store. If not, you will be prompted to log in. On the next screen, you will need to click the Install App button, which appears on the top right of the screen. You should then be presented with this screen. To get started, click the Register Now button, then click Continue. Step 2. Log into your new Findify Merchant dashboard. After installing the app, you will be redirected to the Findify login page, which looks like this. To continue, you must log into your new Findify Merchant dashboard. Installing the Findify app should have already triggered an email to have been sent to your email address, the one associated with your Shopify account. Follow the instructions within the email you received in order to log in with your new credentials. If you experience any issues logging in, click on the hyperlinked text which reads, "Having trouble logging in? Click here." You will then be prompted to enter your email address again in order to receive your credentials. If you still haven't received an email, make sure you check the spam folder. Step 3. Sync your products. Once you have successfully logged into your Findify Merchant dashboard, you will be prompted to sync your products between Shopify and Findify solutions. Note that an initial full product sync might take some time, depending on how many products you have in your store. Subsequent syncs will be a lot faster than this, especially since Findify supports real-time updates via Shopify webhooks. Once your products have all been synchronized, you will be able to access all the Findify solutions. This is the screen you will be presented with upon logging in going forward. Here is where you can manage your search settings, your smart collections, your recommendation settings, and view your Findify specific analytics. Step 4. Add Findify to a Shopify theme. Go back to your Shopify Merchant dashboard. Within the menu on the left-hand side of the screen, click Apps. In the drop-down menu that appears, click Findify. Scroll down and then click Import into Theme. Select the theme you wish to add Findify to. Please note that for reliability reasons, you can't install Findify directly onto your live theme. To enable it there, simply make a copy of your production theme and then import Findify. This initial import may take a few minutes. When it's done, you will see a confirmation on screen that the import has taken place. Step 5. Activate App Embeds. Under Theme Visual Editor, you will see App Embeds. There are two subheadings under this, Findify BG Operations as well as Findify Autocomplete. Under both sections, you will see the same button, Activate App Embedding. Both buttons bring you to the same new window. On this new window, you just need to toggle each Findify related app embed to the on position. Next, hit the Save button in the top right-hand corner of the screen. Once your changes have been saved, close this tab and return to the previous one. Look once again at the Theme Visual Editor section. Step 6. Activate the Findify grid. Next, look at App Sections. Click Start Editing under Findify Grid. Here, you can activate the Findify Grid app block for search and/or collection results. Using this app blocks method, merchants and their developers can more easily work with and customize Findify solutions without having to directly edit theme code. Blocks can be moved up or down on the desired page by simply dragging and dropping the block using the left-hand menu. Step 7. Activate Findify Recommendations. Under App Sections, you can also click Start Editing under the Findify Recommendations section. This will open a new tab where you can view your store. On the left-hand side of the screen, you will see your new recommendation app block. On the far right, you will have a window where you will be prompted to add the widget IDs from your desired recommendations. To find the widget ID of a recommendation, go to your Findify Merchant dashboard. Then navigate to Recommendations. Once you have copied the widget ID, paste it into the appropriate section. You can then give your recommendation an external name, which is visible to customers. Your recommendation will populate in real time. You can then move the app block up or down on the page to ensure it's exactly in the place you want it to be. Following your successful installation of Findify's native Shopify app, you can use Findify's app blocks within your Shopify dashboard to place Findify solutions on different pages. Merchants need to manage these solutions, however, via their dedicated Findify merchant dashboard. This is where merchants can manage collections and recommendations, set powerful merchandising rules, gain insights from analytics, and much more. If you have any questions at all about this process, please get in touch. You can email us on yourfriends@findify.io.